Hey friends, I am back with a brand new and exciting tutorial. Last time we made a mockup on an image, and today I am going to show you how to turn your design into a realistic video mockup in a super easy way. And today's tutorial I will show you step by step how to create a realistic tote bag video mockup using Adobe Photoshop. If you want to present your design in a professional and eye-catching way, this method will help you create dynamic mockups that truly impress your clients. So if you want to upgrade your portfolio and stand out from the crowd, make sure to watch this video till end. So let's get started. At first, your video just drag and drop into Photoshop. Then go to Windows option and turn on the timeline option. You can see your video timeline is showing here. Now play the video. Just for placing your design, just simply drag and drop your design here. And press the right option, right click on it and select the rasterize layer option. Again right click on it and select to convert to smart object option. Now select the smart object layer and adjust the timeline area. Now press Ctrl T from keyboard. Resize the design, placing here, and reduce the opacity for better visible the tote bag. And right click on it and select the distort option. Adjust the 4 points according to the tote bag. Now press the right option here and add the transform key here. Now slowly play the video and select the smart object again. Adjust the smart object position. Select distort. Then press right option here. Now play the video again. Select the smart object, press Ctrl T and adjust the select distort and adjust the all 4 points. Press the right option here. Again slowly play the video and same process for smart object. Right click on it, select distort, adjust the 4 points. Now we are complete the transform key part. Now again play the video from starting. And that's how you create a realistic tote bag video mockup in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash the like button, subscribe to Mockup Art and share this video with your designer friends. Drop a comment below with your next mockup request. I read every comment. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.